Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a story in Jira, step by step. Maybe you created a task by mistake, maybe a user story is no longer relevant, or perhaps you just need to clean up your backlog. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just how to remove a story from Jira, but also understand what happens when you do. Let's jump in so you can keep your project neat and organized. First, we need to open the specific issue or story that you want to delete. The easiest way to do this is by navigating directly to the issue using Jira's search bar. Just type in the issue key if you have it handy, like PROJ123. But if you don't have that memorized, no worries. You can also find the issue by clicking through your project's board or backlog and scrolling until you spot the story you want to remove. Take your time here. You want to be 100% sure you're opening the right story because remember, deletion is permanent. Once you've clicked on the issue, Jira will display the full details in a panel or page, depending on your view. Now, with the issue open in front of you, look up to the top right corner of the issue view. You'll see a button with 3 little dots, often called the More Options menu. It might seem like just another menu, but this is where Jira keeps a lot of powerful settings, including the option to delete. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Sometimes these things get buried in interfaces, but after you've done this once, you'll know exactly where to find it in the future. When you click the 3 dots menu, a drop-down will appear with several options, things like Move, Clone, and if you have the right permissions, Delete. Locate Delete in this list. It's usually near the bottom, separated a little from the other more common actions because deleting is quite a significant change to your project. Click on Delete. If you don't see this option, it might mean you don't have permission to remove issues, so you may need to contact your Jira admin. Next comes an important moment, the confirmation dialog box. Jira takes deletion very seriously, which is great because it prevents accidental removals. The dialog box will warn you that deleting an issue is permanent. Once you click Confirm, you can't undo this through the web interface. Sometimes it will even let you know about linked subtasks or child issues that will also be removed along with the story. Make sure you read this warning. This is your final checkpoint. Double-check everything. Is this definitely the story you want to delete? Are you sure there aren't any related tasks you want to keep? Take a moment, and if you're sure, go ahead and hit that delete button. You'll see the issue disappear from the board or backlog, and your workspace just got a little tidier. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a story from Jira. Remember, removing clutter from your project helps the team stay focused on active, important work. If you ever delete something by accident, reach out to your Jira administrator. They might be able to restore data from a backup, but typically, deleted issues are gone for good. If this video helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so others can find it too. Got any questions or ran into trouble with any of these steps? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more easy-to-follow Jira tutorials, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.